in Karnataka, there are so many people who are all following VCK. I went to Kolar, I went to Bangalore, so many places. So young people mobilization towards VCK. How your party is going to support Indian Alliance?
End of the campaigning duration, we have discussed elaborately about the Karnataka current situations. Finally, we have decided to extend our support to these Congress candidates. Today, we have met Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, and we declared our stand that we are going to support Congress candidates in these constituencies. And I have met the press today afternoon in PCC declared why we have took this stand to support Congress candidates. Why? Because in this election in Karnataka there is a tough fight between Congress and BJP. So at any cost, we should not be a factor for choosing constituencies from Congress. Already we are in the India bloc. In Karnataka, we should support Congress candidates for their victories. So I appeal the people of Karnataka, particularly Tamil-speaking people, to vote for hand symbol across the state. Not only Tamil people should come forward to support Congress candidates. Then only we can throw away the BJP regime. It is against to the marginalized sections. We have to save our nation and our constitution. So in Tamil Nadu, we are in the DMK Congress headed alliance. So in Karnataka also, Tamil speaking people should support Congress.
Anant Kumar Agne, he told if they win 400, they will change the constitution.
For the past 10 years, we are making awareness among the people about the constitution. BJP and Sangh Parivas are always against our constitution, we know very well. If they win power again, they will throw away the constitution which made by our Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is very essential to save our constitution. Then only we can save our democracy. Anand Kumar Hegde expressed his mindset and exposed the mindset of the Sangh Parivas. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke that we are not having any plan to change the constitution. This statement of Prime Minister is not true. The people of India are realizing that BJP and Sangh Parivas are always against our constitution. Recently, one organization, Sangh Parivar movement, Shankaracharya Sabha in Varanasi, published one draft constitution. In this draft constitution, they said we are going to implement this constitution after the parliament election. Modi will become Prime Minister again. He will implement this draft constitution as the constitution of India. So that is their plan, because they want to make this country as religious country, not secular country. So this is the big threat to the constitution. So once again, I appeal to the Ambedkarites, Ambedkar movements. Please be aware of BJP and Sangh Parivas. Come forward to save our constitution, which made by our Baba Sahib Dr. Ambedkar.
Jai Bhim.